Okay, so if you don't want your mic to sound like this, or if you have any other background noise that are kind of like that, so all you'll need to do is just go to here, add filters. This will be empty. You'll do noise gate, this. And you can just kind of have it pull it up and then mess with it. So I'll give you an example about this real quick. Okay. So you could see right around 30 it completely went away, but I don't know if there was still any like, interruptions or whatever you want to call it in the audio. So I turned up to 15 just to be safe. I'd turn it up a bit more, maybe 5 or 10 dB, like more than what you need, just to like make sure you get all that interference out of your video and out of the audio. Also work if you got fans next to you or like your keyboard typing. You can just make it so it picks up your voice like me. That's all you really want. You don't want to hear, someone typing or playing games. Like, you just want it to capture your voice.
Not working. Work. We're we stuck here forever. Didn't even know you were sitting on the wagon.
Hey.
Weird.
I was trying to trace you.